world is on hold, and it's unclear what will happen when we press play. There's a lot of talk about going back to normal, but we have asked ourselves what would happen if instead of rebuilding, we redesigned what we had. We believe this crisis is an opportunity to reset business and society, a chance to focus on values, strategies, and decisions that boost a more responsible model of capitalism. What were we doing wrong? What were we good at? What positive changes can we develop thanks to the lessons we are learning in confinement? We are launching this series to answer these questions through Whiplash, the BrandSmith blog. We've recorded video interviews with over 10 experts, friends, clients, and colleagues. Every Tuesday and every Thursday, one of them will share his or her vision of the day after. We will cover issues like bioeconomy, ethics, sales, CSR, and we will look into industries like science, tourism, and investment. Our hope is that you can find inspiration in these ideas to provoke your own positive change in your company or industry the day after. Thank you for tuning in.